Still trying to maintain same things that'll blow a bitch my frame. My brain can't follow.
What's up, guys? It's your boy C Sprouts, and welcome back to another video. Furthermore, I gotta address something: the elephant in the room. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will never miss the latest videos from me. You guys already know by the title of this video, we're gonna do the Threadbeast unboxing part 2. Speaking of, this is the last Threadbeast unboxing I got, the shirt. So if you guys haven't watched that video, there will be a link to the description down below. So obviously this is the second package. By the way it looks, this is more smaller than the original I got from the previous video. But let's just get into it. I mean, same thing as last time. I think it might be better this time. I honestly think it will be better. The first item we got is just a plain Levi shirt. I'm not really too fun about Levi. I don't even wear the pants, for instance. So yeah, this is not a great start for this, but it looks pretty good for right now. Yeah, the first item, not my thing. It's a dope shirt. I never wear anything dope, so that's kind of new for me. It says worldwide winner: USA, UK, Japan, China, Brazil, Germany, dope. 19 dope division champion, all-star. So it's a great shirt from the company Dope. So yeah, it's not bad. I'll wear this. So I got Paris Nation quality denims. So I'm guessing these are denim shorts. I never tried them. I never tried denim shorts, so it's kind of like jean shorts. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I don't really like them, but I'll tough it out. Yeah, so those are the denim shorts. So let's see. So pants. It's by Lifetime Research Group. Never heard of them either. Season fall 2016 group name delivered 3 style name, all this other stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not usually the pants that I wear, but you know, I bet I could put an outfit with that. 01C, I think. Guys, if you guys know what this brand is, please leave it in the comments down below. I don't know what it is. It feels like sunglasses, so oh yeah, it is sunglasses. I'm surprised Threadbeast gave me sunglasses, but okay. And it's funny too because I literally just bought a pair of sunglasses, so that's fine. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Alright, we're up with the last item from the box. It's a black diamond pure homie fragrance, I guess. So yeah, look, it's pretty cool. It shows like pada. And it's like a diamond shape, so that's pretty cool. I like this. It's a pretty cool thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have too much to complain about. The only thing I can complain about is probably shorts. I don't really wear denim, but I don't know. Maybe I'll start to wear denim. So that's just me. That's my preference. So yeah. So other than that, I didn't like the Levi shirt. I just don't wear Levi in general. but all the other stuff were pretty okay. Sunglasses would have been okay if I didn't just bought sunglasses. I want to demonstrate the outfits right about now.
Is it too late? Is it too late? I really shouldn't be driving,
number 2.
but I'm on my way.
If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below on what was your favorite item off this unboxing. Let me know down below. Furthermore, Cease Frost is out.
I'm too drunk to care, drunk to care. All you do is stop and stare, stop and stare.